Hello, chess enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel, where we make learning chess easy and fun. Today, we're going to teach you how to play chess in just 10 minutes. So, let's dive right in. Chess is a game of strategy and skill, played on an 8x8 checkered board. Each player starts with 16 pieces. 1 king, 1 queen, 2 rooks, 2 knights, 2 bishops, and 8 pawns. The objective is to checkmate your opponent's king, which means placing their king in a position where it cannot escape capture. Now, let's go over the movements of each piece. The most powerful piece is the queen. It can move any number of squares in any direction, horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. Next, we have the rooks, which move in straight lines horizontally or vertically, as far as they can go. The knights are unique. They move in an L shape, 2 squares in one direction and then 1 square at a 90-degree angle. They are the only pieces that can jump over other pieces. The bishops move diagonally across the board, as far as they can go. Each player has 1 bishop that moves on dark squares and 1 that moves on light squares. Now, let's talk about the pawns. They are the weakest, but with the potential for promotion. Pawns move forward 1 square, but they capture diagonally. On their first move, they can also choose to move 2 squares forward. Lastly, we have the kings. They can move 1 square in any direction. Remember, the objective is to protect your king while attacking your opponent's king. Now that you know how each piece moves, let's discuss capturing and checkmate. Capturing occurs when one piece lands on a square occupied by an opponent's piece. The captured piece is removed from the board. However, be cautious, because your own pieces can also be captured. Checkmate is the ultimate goal in chess. It happens when the opponent's king is in a position to be captured on the next move and has no way to escape. When checkmate occurs, the game is over, and the checkmated player loses. So, now you know the basics of chess. Remember to practice, study different strategies, and keep challenging yourself. Chess is a game that takes time to master, but the journey is incredibly rewarding. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to play chess. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our future tutorials. Until next time, happy chess playing!